Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to download Valorant on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Valorant on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. Once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for Riot Games. And after searching, you will now be able to see this website, which is the official website of Riot Games, so just go and click it. And after that, you will now be on the website. And by the way guys, if you have no idea what is Riot Games is the developer and publisher of Valorant, so this is where you can download the game. So to download Valorant on this website, you just need to scroll down until you are on the games section. And here on the games section, you will now be able to see all the games of Riot, so just select Valorant. And right here, just click this play for free button. And before you can proceed, you will need to have a Riot account first, so if you already have an account, just sign it in right here, but if you don't have an account yet, then click the Create One button to create your Riot account. In my case, I already have a Riot account, so I will just sign it in right here. So to sign in your Riot account, you just need to enter your username and password. And after logging in your account, you can now start downloading Valorant by clicking this. And then right here, you just need to select what platform you are using. In my case, I'm using a PC, so this is what I would select. And then you can now click the download button to start downloading the game. And after clicking it, your Valorant will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then your Valorant installation will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once the installation is finished, your Riot Games launcher will automatically open, so just log in your Riot account right here to continue. And after logging in your account, you can now completely start downloading Valorant by clicking the install button right here. And then Riot will show you the location where your Valorant files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click this file icon right here, but if you are already fine with the location, just click install. And after clicking it, your Valorant will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish and then you will now be able to play the game. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.